The 2024 Honda Africa Twin has arrived with a suite of updates that promise to enhance its already formidable presence in the adventure motorcycle market. This latest iteration of Honda's iconic dual-sport motorcycle continues to be powered by the robust 1084cc parallel twin engine, which delivers a hearty 100.5 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and a peak torque of 82.3 ft-lbs at 5,500 RPM for the standard model, with the Adventure Sports variant producing a slightly higher torque of 82.6 ft-lbs. For those who crave both on-road comfort and off-road prowess, the 2024 Africa Twin range offers a compelling package. The standard CRF 1100L Africa Twin retains its off-road focus with tubeless Metzeler Karoo street tires as standard fitment, suitable for swift puncture repairs without wheel removal. For more demanding off-road adventures, Michelin Anneke Wild tires are also approved for use. The Adventure Sports model, however, leans towards a more road-biased setup. It features a new 19-inch front wheel paired with a wider tire, and the suspension stroke has been reduced by 20 mm, approximately 0.78 inches, to cater to on-road dynamics. Showa-era semi-active suspension comes standard on the Adventure Sports, offering riders optimized damping across various conditions and the convenience of adjusting rear spring preload on the movie via the 6.5-inch touchscreen display. Both models boast a redesigned front fairing and a larger 5-way adjustable windscreen, enhancing aerodynamics and rider comfort. The Adventure Sports variant goes a step further with a plusher seat, utilizing a urethane foam cushion that is 15 mm thicker than before, reducing fatigue during long rides. Technology-wise, the Africa Twin doesn't skimp. A large 6.5-inch TFT color touchscreen panel graces the dashboard, compatible with gloves and equipped with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a USB socket for direct phone connectivity. Riders can choose from 5 ride modes and benefit from cruise control, full LED lighting, 2-channel ABS, wheelie control, traction control, and cornering lights. The Adventure Sports model exclusively features 3-stage cornering lighting that responds to lean angles, providing dynamic illumination through corners. In terms of aesthetics, the 2024 Africa Twin will be available in Grand Prix Red and Matte Ballistic Black Metallic, while the Adventure Sports version adds a third option, Pearl Glare White with Blue Metallic Tricolor, to its color palette. The 2024 Honda Africa Twin range, including the base model and the Adventure Sports variant, has been thoughtfully updated to cater to the diverse needs of adventure riders. With its blend of rugged capability, advanced technology, and improved comfort features, the Africa Twin is poised to continue its legacy as a favorite among adventure touring enthusiasts. Prices for the 2024 Honda CRF 1100L Africa Twin start at $13,199 in the UK, which is approximately $16,019, indicating a competitive position in the market for this well-equipped adventure motorcycle. As we look forward to the new year, the 2024 Honda Africa Twin stands out as a testament to Honda's commitment to innovation and rider satisfaction in the adventure segment. Whether navigating city streets or traversing rugged terrain, the Africa Twin is ready to take on the world with its latest enhancements.